Today, I'm gonna read Alice in Wonderland. Now let's start reading Alice in Wonderland. Alice Adventures in Wonderland. Alice was sitting by her sister under a tree, and her sister was reading a book for her. Suddenly, a white rabbit ran close by her, and the rabbit said to itself, "Oh no, I shall be late." She ran across after it, and unfortunately was just in time to see it pop down a large rabbit hole. Under the hedge, Alice was so curious, so she went after it. The rabbit was no longer to be seen, and she found the room. Alice saw a little bottle on the table. There was a label around it with the words, "Drink me." She ventured to taste it and finish it off. Alice was getting smaller and smaller. She sat on the floor and cried. Soon her tears became a river. This time, she met some animals and she rushed into a tiny door. After a while, she entered a house, and her eye fell on a little box. When she opened it, there was a small cake with the words, "Eat me." "I will eat it," said Alice. But this time, she was getting bigger and bigger. When the animals saw her, they got scared and threw stones at her. Alice escaped from the house. She met a caterpillar on the way, and he told Alice the mushroom can make her big. She ate the mushroom and became the same as before. Soon after, she met Cheshire the cat. "Hello, little girl," said the cat. "Can you tell me which way to go?" Said Alice. "That direction," the cat said. Alice had not gone much farther before she saw the house of a March Hare. There was a table set out under a tree, and the March Hare was having a tea at it. They invited Alice to the tea party, but she was looking for the rabbit, so she went to the next place. "Sir?" Alice saw a gardener busily painting the rose red. She thought it is a very weird thing. "Sir, why are you painting those roses?" She said. "Miss, because the queen likes red rose tree," he said. At this moment, the queen came here, and when she saw the rose tree, she ordered Alice to cut the gardener's head off. Alice didn't kill the gardener and lied to the queen. Soon, the queen knew she had been cheated by Alice, or lied. She was very angry, and she ordered the soldiers to kill Alice. Soon, she heard a little voice said, "Wake up, dear." Then she found it was a dream and told her sister about it. The end of the story. Thank you.